Woohoo from Texas Harris here. I sure hope to hell that's a test. It better be a test. I mean, it is cloudy here and stuff. Oh, sorry, y'all. Better not be no tornado, that's for sure. Some beach. There are some really dark looking clouds right back off over there. Hell, it could be a tornado. Huh. You know my old saying, why me, Lord? Why me? I guess I'll wait and see. Maybe I'm about to be in some deep doo-doo. Oh, Lord. Alright, well, I don't know. What is that right there? It's red. I thought it was a bird at first, but I guess it's just a leaf on this plant here. And then right up there, there's a bird's nest. Oh, I lost it. Where did it go? Okay, wait a minute. It's right there. I don't see nothing in it though. Alright, y'all. Woohoo from Texas Harris here. The tornado siren went off, so I guess everything's okay because I don't hear it no more. Alright, y'all be safe out there. Talk to y'all later. Bye.